The world of micromobility is witnessing a seismic shift as one of the most dominant players in the industry officially pulls the curtain back on its most ambitious project to date. Xiaomi, a brand that practically pioneered the modern electric scooter craze with the legendary M365, has finally released its latest flagship, the Xiaomi Electric Scooter 6 Ultra. This new model represents the absolute pinnacle of their engineering capabilities, blending high-performance power with a level of comfort that was previously reserved for much heavier and more expensive niche machines. As the automotive world increasingly looks toward last-mile solutions to solve urban congestion, Xiaomi is positioning the 6 Ultra as the definitive answer for the modern commuter who refuses to compromise on quality. However, there is a significant catch that has sent shockwaves through the global tech community, as this high-tech marvel is currently not slated for a North American release, leaving fans in the United States and Canada looking on with envy. To understand why the 6 Ultra is such a massive leap forward, we have to look at the evolution of the brand. For years, Xiaomi focused on portability and simplicity, but with the introduction of the Ultra line, they pivoted toward a more rugged, go-anywhere philosophy. The 6 Ultra takes this a step further by introducing a refined dual suspension system that sets a new benchmark for the category. Unlike the stiff rides of the past, this flagship utilizes a sophisticated suspension geometry designed to soak up the imperfections of ancient cobblestone streets and modern cracked asphalt alike. The engineering team has clearly spent a significant amount of time tuning the damping rates to ensure that the rider feels connected to the road without suffering from the vibrations that usually plague small-diameter wheels. This system, combined with a high-strength aluminum alloy frame, gives the 6 Ultra a level of stability that makes high-speed cruising feel remarkably safe and composed. Under the deck, the 6 Ultra packs a punch that moves it well beyond the realm of basic last-mile toys. The motor has been significantly upgraded to handle steeper inclines and provide more rapid acceleration. While specific peak wattage can vary based on regional firmware, the 6 Ultra is designed to tackle 25% inclines without breaking a sweat, a feat that would leave most entry-level scooters crawling to a halt. The throttle response has been recalibrated to be smoother in urban settings, while offering a dedicated Sport Plus mode for those moments when you need to outpace city traffic. This power is managed by an intelligent controller that monitors thermal performance in real time, ensuring that the motor remains efficient even during long, demanding rides through hilly terrain. Battery life and range are always the primary concerns for e-scooter enthusiasts, and Xiaomi has responded by outfitting the 6 Ultra with a high-capacity lithium-ion pack that promises a staggering range under ideal conditions. While real-world mileage will always depend on rider weight and average speed, the 6 Ultra is designed to cover enough ground for several days of commuting on a single charge for the average user. Furthermore, the charging system has been optimized for faster turnaround times, and the charging port itself has been reinforced with a more durable, weather-resistant cover. Speaking of weather, the 6 Ultra maintains a high IP rating, making it a viable option for those who live in climates where a sudden rain shower is a common part of the daily commute. Safety and visibility have also received a major overhaul in this latest flagship. The lighting system is more powerful than ever, featuring an ultra-bright LED headlight that casts a wide, consistent beam to illuminate the path ahead without blinding oncoming pedestrians. The rear light has been integrated into the fender with a more prominent profile, serving as both a running light and a high-visibility brake light. Additionally, Xiaomi has included integrated turn signals on the handlebars, a feature that is rapidly becoming a legal requirement in many European markets, and one that significantly improves the safety of the rider when navigating busy intersections. The braking system remains a hybrid setup, combining a powerful mechanical disc brake with a highly efficient electronic regenerative braking system that helps put a small amount of energy back into the battery every time you slow down. One of the most impressive hardware features of the 6 Ultra is the inclusion of Xiaomi's latest 10-inch Duragel tires. These tubeless tires are pre-filled with a self-sealing jelly-like substance that can automatically plug punctures smaller than 4 millimeters. This is a game-changer for daily commuters who can now ride with the peace of mind that a stray nail or shard of glass won't leave them stranded miles from home. The larger tire diameter also contributes to the overall ride quality, providing a larger contact pad for better grip in wet conditions and aiding the suspension in rolling over small obstacles. The digital experience is handled by a vibrant, high-contrast display integrated into the center of the handlebars. It provides all the essential data at a glance, including real-time speed, battery percentage, riding mode, and connectivity status. As expected, the 6 Ultra fully integrates with the Xiaomi Home app, allowing riders to lock the motor remotely, check detailed ride statistics, and even customize the behavior of the regenerative braking system. The app also serves as the gateway for firmware updates, which Xiaomi frequently uses to refine motor performance and add new features over the lifecycle of the product. Despite all these incredible advancements, the headline for many remains the limited availability. By choosing to skip North America for this initial launch, Xiaomi is leaving a massive vacuum in a market that is currently dominated by brands like Segway 9bot and various boutique performance brands. The reasons for this exclusion often boil down to complex regulatory hurdles, differing certification standards, and logistical challenges. However, for the millions of users in Europe and Asia who will have access to the 6 Ultra, they are looking at what is arguably the most well-rounded, refined, and technologically advanced electric scooter currently on the market. It represents a mature version of the e-scooter concept, moving away from the disposable feel of early models and toward a vehicle that feels like a legitimate alternative to a car or a bus for city living. In conclusion, the Xiaomi Electric Scooter 6 Ultra is a masterclass in how to iterate on a successful formula. It addresses nearly every complaint leveled at previous generations, improving comfort with dual suspension, eliminating puncture anxiety with Duragel tires, and boosting performance with a more robust drivetrain. While it is a bitter pill for North American fans to swallow, the 6 Ultra stands as a testament to Xiaomi's dominance in the micromobility space. It is a sleek, powerful, and intelligent machine that proves the electric scooter revolution is only just getting started. Whether you are a hardcore tech enthusiast or just someone looking for a better way to get to work, the 6 Ultra is the new gold standard that everyone else will be chasing for years to come.